Hi class! Each of you was assigned a specific constellation that you are going to research. From there, you are going to create a presentation using Keynote, which I'm going to show you how to use today. When you first go on the Keynote app, you're going to find the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. When you press on that, you're going to click on a new presentation. The first slide is going to be your title slide. So you're going to want to include the name of your constellation and then your name so we know who made the presentation. You can always customize this slide later on, but for now I'm going to leave mine blank. In the bottom left-hand corner, if you click on this plus sign, this is where you can add more slides. I'm going to choose a blank slide for my next slide. The plus sign in the upper right-hand corner lets you add different shapes, photos, text boxes. So right now I'm going to choose photo from my camera roll, which is a picture of my constellation. I'm going to format the picture so it takes up my whole slide. From there, I'm going to go back up to the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, and this time under shapes, I'm going to add a text box. One of the things that I'm going to want to label is the name of the brightest star. Since the background is a dark background, I'm going to want to go ahead and format the text so I can change the color. To do that, I'm going to choose the paintbrush. I'm going to make the text white so it stands out on my background. If you go up to the plus sign again under shapes, this time I'm going to choose an arrow. I'm going to move the arrow so now the name of my brightest star is pointing to the brightest star. Something else you might want to add is back up to that plus sign. This time record audio. A microphone will pop up at the bottom, and from here you can record yourself explaining about the brightest star. So for example, the brightest star in the Gemini constellation is Pollux. I'm going to choose insert, and a little audio symbol will pop up. I can move this over to my text, and so whoever's viewing my presentation, if they click on that, they'll hear my explanation. The brightest star in the Gemini constellation is Pollux. Remember, in order to make your presentation, you need to include the origin of your constellation, include a picture with the brightest star, and what season or month your constellation is best viewed in. You can use any of the tools to make the presentation your own. Remember, be creative, have fun, and I can't wait to see them.